went swimming. Now we're gonna go get some breakfast. Oh yeah, breakfast time, Vegas, let's go. Does Caesar like live there?
No, I don't think so. Oh dude, have you ever been into the shops over there?
Nah.
Cool. There's like, oh dude, there's some free shows. It's pretty neat. Like there's the mega exploding volcano, and then in here, there's one where there's these statues and they start like moving and they like talk to each other and stuff.
Really?
And, like the sky changes colors.
That's kind of cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm game. Let's go.
We'll walk back. I'm gonna do this size on the margarita.
You want the 100 ounce right here?
No. He's gonna walk that.
I'll do that later. Yeah.
I like the Red Bull freezes.
Margarita strawberry.
I'll take an extra shot of that.
With an extra shot.
Cheers.
Cheers. Let's go.
The sugar is gonna wreck my stomach, but it's worth it.
Let's sip it.
We got kind of a long walk too, so
Dude.
that's why I was thinking, like, not the mega one, but also not the tiny one.
Oh yeah, no, that 100 ounce is hilarious, but no. Dude. Worst stomach ache.
Dude, I saw someone with it last night, and they had it down to like this level.
Jesus.
Like they sucking out everything all around. So when you got here, you called me. I was actually in this place right up the gate.
Yeah?
Yeah, I like it because it's super old.
Dude, look at the McDonald's sign.
They do like $3 craps in there.
You guys doing nightclubs tonight?
Some ghetto ass costumes.
Yeah. I mean, the snowman one was like that.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure there's no flippy here. I tried to look for it last night. I didn't see it.
No Flippy?
Yeah, I lied too.
The search for Flippy continues.
Continues.
Drink. Yes.
This way, you haven't seen the mega one yet. You can get in front of me.
I'm busy.
This is also where they have the gondola rides.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, there's the mega one.
There's another mega.
That's pretty legit.
They go super steep. That's the crazy thing. It could be like stairs.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like this place. Pretty neat. I think it's like one of the only ones that's like unaffiliated with either MGM or no, I think it might be part of it. Alright, here's the mega one.
Oh, dude.
Alright, can you make it without holding on to anything? That's the question.
Yeah,
I made it last night. Sweating.
Are you one of the side stands?
I'm going side stance.
I went stagger stance.
Captain Mark.
It's legit.
It's cool, yeah. I walked all the way across. I went this direction and then I went back and then I went back the other direction. There we go.
Oh, it goes down?
Oh, yeah. This is
What?
the sketchy part. Because it feels like super steep. Like you're going to slide.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, you totally do. feel like I've done work on this and it hasn't moved.
Yeah, dude, I've been chugging this thing. And look at how far I've gotten. I wonder whatever happened to that shot.
You put it in there?
Yeah, but it's like, you like tucked it in there.
Yeah. All right. Well, we made it. Now what? Cool. I like this floor. Oh, dude, that's sweet.
Alligator arm. Lizard tail. Wynn Casino.
What?
It's like a mega long bike.
That's cool. All right, Vegas. Dude, that would be a hot fucking job. Oh man, that would suck. Oh, seriously? Oh, it goes under the thing? I feel like he's parking it. Wow. All right. I did not know that. This is the Venetian? Yeah, because Caesar's is over there. This is the Palazzo? Oh, okay. You don't know. You don't know. You just don't know.
They're like both connected. It's like the Wynn and the Encore.
Yeah. Oh, this dagger is huge. What?
Fuck yeah. You don't know what we're gonna do?
What's that?
You know what we're gonna do? I'm gonna take a shot at the cherry with the black. That's in the shot. Take like tequila.
All right, so little small town DJ Walrus broke the first rule of big cities. You don't engage. Don't engage. Because crazy people get their feelings hurt when they get told to fuck off by Matt. I was not helping him in this situation either. I was like, I'm not fucking talking to this guy. He smells like shit, and it's 102 degrees out, and he's drinking chocolate milk. Like, fuck this. I'm not talking to this guy. Which, that came back to bite him later because that dude was everywhere. $100 out, chocolate milk. Let's go. It's 100 degrees out, chocolate milk. Let's go.
Chocolate milk was a bad choice.
All right, so that's us, the Wynn.
Yeah.
Nice.
I like the sign. Check out the sign. Just watch it for a while. The Wynn sign that's in the front.
Oh, okay.
It's very unique. You'll see why.
So we're just gonna wait and look? No, let that fucking crazy milk guy go. Dude, crazy milk guy's fucking waving at me. Fuck off, dude. Is that what's supposed to happen?
There you go. You're ready.
Oh shit!
Isn't that sick?
What? That's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's like the most unique one out there, I think.
I did not expect that. Okay. Yeah, I like that. That's cool. Yeah, what are they building over there? You said they change this every month?
It's something like that. Either that or every quarter.
Huh. Cool.
It's like super chill.
Super chill secret spot. Don't come here.
Yeah, don't tell
Yeah, we're not telling. We're not. Don't tell anybody.
We're at.
Don't tell anybody. So what is this?
Parasol.
Parasol down.
Yeah.
Pretty legit.
Yeah.
I was gonna say, don't get back in the bandwagon. You fucking junkie. You degenerate gambler. But what if I win?
What if I win?
And it's gone. Pretty good. Pretty good. All right, boy. Cheers.
Oh yeah. Cheers. Oh dude.
Holy fuck, that's good.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Super refreshing.
I needed that. Okay, we're there. Where are we going?
There. So we gotta cut across the casino. We gotta go towards the cashier.
Okay.
And the buffets are behind it.
Let's go. Alright.
Perhaps.
No, we couldn't have got a better seat. This is good. Dude, I love these chairs. Obviously. Yeah. Alright, we got a little bit of everything here. Tamale, eggs, tomato, chili, Asian, pizza, sushi. Let's go. Got a vegan pizza. Looks pretty good. Gonna go swimming? Go swimming. Jump in. Do it. Alright, time to hit the pool, yeah?
I'm good with whatever.
Oh, you real tired?
No. I mean,
Here, tell everyone what you did.
just sat here in my bed.
Oh, hey, I just sent you a cool picture. You should look at it on your phone.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did. Look at it on your phone.
Well, I muted your text.
He's a liar. His phone died. His phone died because it's not an iPhone. Apple, get at me. Look at him. He's devastated. No. Are you going to play your games? Is that the sound of it being dead?
No, it's just tweaking out. Just keeps doing that stuff.
Pink screen of doom.
No, it's like starting and then restarting. It's not a never-ending loop of awesomeness.
Oh, hey, I'm going to go. Why don't you call me and tell me about it? You can't. You can't. How are you going to look at all your horse porn? Oh, he's devastated. Oh, I can't go to mydailywhorse.com. Oh, this was Clydesdale month. So we just got back from the pool party. Yeah, his phone's dead. So I'm gonna work on a video real quick, and then we're gonna go do stuff. Like, subscribe. Maybe if you like and subscribe, his phone will work. What do you think?
Maybe.
Oh God. You know what it is? Is you have a Samsung, and you should have an Apple. That's the problem.
Clearly not.
Yeah, that's the problem, bruh. Hey, what's your problem, bruh? Oh, I have a Samsung device. Well, that's tough. Get with the program, son. Get with the program. What did you just ask me?
Google it.
And what happened the other day when I asked you to Google something? Time for revenge, bitch.
I Googled it.
Did you?
But I wasn't gonna Google horses impaling your mom.com.
Wow.
Sorry.
That's not wholesome. That's not wholesome, sir. I don't know. With language like that, I don't know if I can Google for you. Your phone stopped for it? You got your new phone?
Yeah.
All right. What should we do?
Let's break it. You almost spit out your
Yeah. You almost got a spit take. All right. Now we go wander around and find fun things to do.
Yes.
Let's do that.
Let's do that.
All right. Get ready for us to do that.
Yeah, we're gonna do that.
We're about to do that.
Yeah, just in case you were wondering, we're gonna do that.
Yeah, we're gonna go do that. All right, so the next video is gonna be us on the high roller, which is the world's largest Ferris wheel on the Vegas Strip. The views are amazing. And then we go to a club and have a good time and get shitty, because that's what you do in Vegas, and then eat pizza. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.